kanisa cia Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Musesiani na ukethia wa mukata nenda kuthocha thini wa Vilingi wa Mauvoo kiokoni cha umuthi ngumanyithie mawalato kumbanisia mesani tu ya Vilingi wa Mauvoo twatiani thini wa Facebook ni Mutongoi TV neta Faith MAKENZI wa Mutunga. Minister Mubeane wa Kisomo Ezekiel Machogu ni utangasie mosungio mamutiani wa kilasi cha nyanya KCP wa mwaka wa 2022 Otieno Lewis Omondi kuma skulu ni wa musingi wa St. Peter's Mumias kauntini ya Kakamega na Robinson Makoha kuma skulu ni wa musingi wa Christ the King Academy kauntini ya Bungoma ni moma atongo isi mutiani ni wa KCP mwaka niwechi na wakwata maxi manana mamiongo 3 Kennedy Molinge nukutueleza.
Otieno Lewis Omondi kuma skulu wa St. Peter's Mumias kauntini ya Kakamega na Faro Makoha Robinson kuma skulu wa musingi wa Christ the King kauntini ya Bungoma ni mama atongo sia mosungio ni mamutiani wa kilasi cha nyanya wa KCP mwaka ni uwangili na miongoli na ile mena max manana na miongo 3 Mosungio ni mamutiani uloneka lionembe wa maniwa milioni umaka 5 ile ina alama nengano wandani wa katatu one Minister Mubeane wa Kisomo Ezekiel Machogu ikina yoya kumya mosungio ani yoneka milioni Minister uchi na wakia kuwa makuweta kana kuvanga maskulu na maniwa kuena na nondu maneki mutiani ni wa mwaka ikina ilai kuoneka tanzika yone siya Mauvoo wa Kisomo kukumbatelia view wala nyomo wa Kisomo wa CBC ulova niye kuvitanga view kuvangwa kwa maniwa undu makeka metiani kivodhoka nyom.
Mark range between 400 and 500. We had 9,443. The sub said the best score was 431, which makes 0.77 when we come to percentage. Mark between 300 and 399, we had 307,756, making it 24.94%.
Dhini wa mosungio ambe wa mani wengilima na dhandhatola maneka ile mutiani ikwata max maneli na kuambata kilani kilungu cha miongo 5 katona ile yoluwa yana jisi nyona mwaka movitu wangili na miongo lina imova la kilungu cha miongo na muonza katona muonza yoluwa yana na chucha kuatia max mawaliku wange masio maikusi wa mani wani alama kuata katewa laksi mwena max miongo kenda mutiani ni wa mwaka valana mbaye ya dhea kuma mani wengili umwe yana imona miongo muonza mwaka movitu kuvikia mani wa maana muonza na miongoli na ina mwaka ni
Between 200 and 299, we had a total of 593 candidates, making it 50.22%. Those who scored between 100 and 199 were 296,336, making it 24.2%. Those who scored between 1 and 99 were 724, making it 0.06%.
Amaniwa mayikanga na sama somone ana mwaka ne oje isianyo na mwaka movitu wala ni Kisungu Kiswahili insha na kisomo cha maiko kana sign language na mwalama English composition hisabu science social studies na ila ndini mayikangwa na isianyo na mwaka movitu valana mwa maniwa tumekanga na sama somone ma Kiswahili Kisungu na kisomo cha maiko isianyo na lama aume na mwalama aume mayikanga na sama somone ma hisabu science na social studies isianyo na ama etu na mama ni wala medhe na mamudha memo na maikanga na samutiani ni wa mwaka uye isenyo na mwaka movitu valaka te wa mani wambe wangilili mema mudha memo na lame kalile mutiani wa mwaka miongo 3 makwata max mana na kwambata isenyo na eli mwaka na movitu wambe aikwata max mana ana na 19.
Those who scored between 400 and 500 were 7, meaning this was 0.29%. Those who scored between 300 and 399 were 296 candidates, making it 12.25%. Those who scored between 200 and 299 were 838, making it 34.67%. Those who got between 100 and 199 were 1,270, making it 52.54%. Those who scored between 1 and 99 were 6, making it 0.25%.
Siko sio ngiwa mutiani una siyoneka kwithaithiie kwa kiwango kinene hene yenda kivathokonya lama na konetuika ni wa mutiani imaikathiwa kwa vanene.
Overall, there were only 252 candidates in 9 examination centers who were found to have engaged in malpractices. These candidates have been scored 0 in the subjects where they engaged in such malpractices. Nonetheless, the affected candidates' overall mark will be computed, the rest the mark awarded in the affected subject. The candidates will receive their examination results and will transition to secondary school. This is in the spirit of the 100% transition policy.
Ken Mulinge, Mutongo TV.
Skulu ibingwa tamwambe kalenda keu ka kisomo ka mwaka wa 2023 amanywa onde ala kwimuthanyani weyo makwatie musungio mo ma muthia ma mutiani wa KCP mwaka niu makethwa mamanyie maskulu mo ma secondary mubea wa kisomo ni wetie ubanie kubinga iseso ya unyubi mbe wa wosani wa form 1 matuko 13 mwini wambe mwaka ukite no kana kuendesha kisomo cha form 1 kina uyananu na ila ingi okabindani ka usilikali ni weti mibango yonde ya kuendesha kisomo cha secondary ni cha grade 7 skulu ni siabingwa matuko 23 mwini wambe mwaka ni ukite. Benjamin Mwaka na mwandiki wetu wa Mauvoo.
Wandikithi wa form 1 kwa amani wonde ala makwata mausungio mo ma mutiani wa KCP mwaka huu vanie kuendanya imwe kwa imwe na kalenda ka kisomo ka mwaka mweu ukite. Minister Muvyano wa kisomo Ezekiel Obaki Machogu ni wathingilila maskulu maituika ni mavingwa matuku 23 ma mwai ukite wambe. Amadhiwa onde makethwa me mathie maskulu mo ma secondary vala me kwandikithwa class cha form 1.
The actual form 1 selection exercise for all categories of schools will be concluded on January 16th, 2023. There should be no case of any parent or guardian keeping their children at home when admission to Form 1 are opened up, as this is against the constitutional requirement.
Zama ya kungamia mitiani ya NEC ni yaweta mitiani inezi ile kithimi cha yulu cha wailu na kuou amadhiwa melaidi ni musio kuendea na kisomo cha secondary mwaka ukite kwa mbewa miaka 5 yu silikali mbetu na ya Kenya Kwanza ni thingilelete vata wa amadhiwa onde alama mina skulu ya musingi kukwata mwana wa imwe kwa imwe kuendea na kisomo cha secondary.
The council can confidently assure the public that the results that the candidates are about to receive are credible and are a true reflection of the candidates' individual performances and achievements.
I would want to make a commitment that we shall continue with a 100% transition of our candidates who have done KCPE.
All of them will be placed into secondary schools of their choice, which is a big milestone in the education sector in this country.
Unte na mausungio ma KCPE ni metalatala ya kukwata mausungio ma mitiani ya amadhiwa ma grade 6 dhino wa mutiani wa kepsea na alakuambia tamwambe mwaka ukite meidho wa mailika junior secondary kwa kisomo cha grade 7. Minister Machogu nuwaweta metalatala kukonya syllabus na mavundi sio ma grade 7 sukulu siya vingwa niliende kunaikwa meloa kadhi ya hitambia President William Ruto kulunga Mauvoo wanolo na hivyo yulua une wa kisomo cha junior secondary.
And the fact that KIPSEA will not be used for placement of learners but for monitoring learner progress. NEC will report on KIPSEA at 3 levels as follows. There will be a report on individual learners for the summative assessment. There will be a school-specific report, and there will be a national report on school-based and summative assessments. So each school will receive a specific report that delineates the areas that learners perhaps are having challenges so that they can continue in the journey of improvement. The learners will get individual learner reports, and all these are going to be uploaded on the school portals by 16th of January 2023.
What did this masterstroke decision of President mean? It means that parents will now not lose sleep over finding grade 7 presence in secondary schools, which could have become their worst headache ever had the president not saved the situation. Secondary, domiciling the junior secondary within the primary school level means that the expected crisis of a double intake in our already congested high schools was averted. Lastly, it means that the newly constructed classes in secondary schools that were initially meant for the junior secondary school level are now available to ease our strained infrastructure in the secondary schools.
Na kukwatia kisomo cha junior secondary kuyethwa kuyuka na uandikani wa alimu mbe wa ngili miongo 3 hamwe kati wa animo makethwo ngami grade 7 valanza makuandika alimu TSC yathuthia alimu alame na wendi kutuma maukulyo mawia mekeo tutavikitwa katano chumwaniki.
This is a huge enrollment of teachers that has not been realized since 1997. On our part, we promise that the exercise will be carried out transparently and in line with the constitutional requirements of equity and meritocracy.
Na onakutwika kisomo ki cha matuku kiende kwa luka kila muthenya kwa OUU vena walanyo mweo wa CBC ula wende na kuthukumithwa ni serikali ya OUU. Serikali ni athingilila vaingwa manigo no mo kuvikia kwika mutiani wake wa skulu cia musingi lani KCPE na mitiani la yukite ungwa lanyo wa CBC utakethia wa aikwata mwana ndino wa kisomo cha mbeange cha secondary no kana kuendesya kisomo chake kwanzia ya yulango. Ndilivotia Vilingi wa Mauvoo kumama miaka minene ya kutangasia maundu wa mitiani wa Kenya mtiani house ni musini wa Ilovi nye nitawa Benjamin na mwaka.
Maskulu kibathukanio ma musingi kuma kauntini ya Masaku ni makwati ya musungio makwaila kwena na ndoto cia amenyiwa ala meonania wendi wa kuendea kwika nesa thini wa ipinda yukite masomo nimo thini wa unenania na amwe maalimu anene vamwe ni kimila wangwatanio ya alimu na skulu cia musingi kuma kilombunge cha Kangundo na ulani mwalimu mwenene wa skulu wa Kathithia wa musingi ni umendi asiai maikaende utulia amanyiwa ngo na kuwekethia ni matwa siana maskulu ni kwithiwa siana mbingi nisikite nesta. Boni Mutisia ni mwandiki wetu wa Mauvoo.
Amanyiwa maende na utani ya mausungi wa mamutiani wa kilasi cha nyanya vandino ya Kenya. Kaundini ya Masaku amanyiwa ingini medho wa mekitenesa valandini wa skulu wa ekombe amanyiwa dhandatume na maksimbe wa manana skulu wa esima kutano mamwala uidhiwa na amanyiwa 10 na maksimbe wa manana na wawacha ndumbraita kanda miula wa Kangundo amanyiwa 5 Machakos primary amanyiwa 5 na Muthewa Njosta amanyiwa nalowe musini wa Masaku.
I got 418 marks and I'm so happy. I want to thank my teachers for their support, my parents as well for being with me through the journey. I put a lot of effort. I worked hard. I used time management, and I want to thank
Julia Mukiria. Lida is my daughter. She has been schooling at St. Anne's Just Academy, Machakos. She scored 418 marks. We are very happy. We thank God. We have supported her throughout the journey.
We were able to cover the syllabus in good time. We did a lot of revision, and that is what enabled us to poster those good results that we were able to get. So we really thank our parents for the support.
Na kuya mulolongo mavoko skulu cia Mbunuru amanyiwa 5 maikwata max mbewa manana.
Tuna 400 itano. Kana kala kembe ni Wambua na Chalo. Kana max manana na kenda. Katiwe ni Joseph, Joshua, Kavithi. No tuende na utuma results ila inge. Tuzisijana nduziekite. Na skulu ina siana mbinge ila inekite class 8. Siana maneli na miongo 3 na 5.
Skulu wa Kathithia wa Kangundo ni umwe kati wa maskulu la mekite nesa nthini wa Kilombunge ki onowe wa manyiwa mayona nyaka name na wendi wa kuendea na ikambia ngeti na ukwata mausungi wa ya.
I was the candidate in standard 8 I managed 393. Although it was not my target, I thank God for the mark that he gave me. I'm a bit happy, but that was not my target.
I'm a candidate of Kadhiama Primary School. I managed to get 363 marks. That wasn't my target. I wanted to get 380 and above, but I thank God for enabling me to manage to get those marks.
Kile cha vata kana uthuthi wala umana manyiwani kana no nginya makethe wa mayona vasa nthini wa vinda yukite na kwikiria kana ndoro sioni siendea na kwenia.
I was a candidate at Kadhiama Primary School. Marks zenye nilikuwa natarajia kupata sijapata, but nashukuru Mungu kwa zenye nimepata saa hii. Zitaniwezesha kwenda shule nyingine. Exam ilikuwa fair kwa kila mtu. Wajitie moyo cause kuna life juu huwezi give up like that juu tumeanguka mtihani. Kwa masomo unaweza anguka, lakini kuna kitu in life unaweza fanya usucceed.
Mwalimu munene ula ungamite skulu cia musingi nthini wa kilomwe cha Kangulo na ingi mwalimu munene wa skulu wa musingi wa Kadhiama John Ndambuki no thima kulia siku ikithekana manyiwa ni matoa maskulu na ingi kweka umatulia ngo kwithwa marana vikiana ukwata kila mane kwateza ukwata nthini wa mutiani uyu
kulia sei maxela kana ka kwata tuenda 100% transition siana yusu onde itwa secondary school paikata de kana kewa kabalukile kaya lo skulu kana kaile usiokea mikabine siana kusiokea ilasi kana kontaka di secondary school nyana devo da secondary school siana ili secondary school isome kena max yalaka kwete nimeane secondary school na siana sionde ili isome
ngwe encourage siana sito max yalasi akwata simanekana ni the beginning of learning kana max yalaka akwata ke anyway na ende na kulia sei na mo bateka advantage na mainenga na siana isu in secondary schools na ni mashua kana ikana kama shi katika performance yo ona tulatu na maxima na eli tulatu na below 250 tutu awo school nikana with siana ni sia kanesa lakini
na yukuma muthanyani wa unene twende na utambo kama skulu kivathukanyo na kusisondwa manyiwa methieto mathika nthini wa mutiani uyu yuna mwase yonthe mena vinda yanu ya kumbanya manyiwa kusio kama skulu ni nthini wa vinga ya manyiwa meuthi umwoni
kiwe siana sia kala musi tuenda 100% transition asi munengi we vinda se uyu pe vinda yingi ya kuma yu na mwai wambe mpaka matuku 23 kumamba pesa sia kutwa siana skulu kwa tuenda siana sio nthi skulu na ithi some na insi andi kule sio ndekana kwa na max yala kakwata max yazuni maseo
Mutongoi TV kumava akaundini ya Masako nyeni toboni motesia
Skulu wa musingi wa premise makuweni mbiki ya yu nigo wina mumanyiwa ula wina maxi meyulo county ni Isu Collins muli akwatie maxi manana mamingweli na kenda na vala ukwekwati wa kwitha kati wa manyiwa atano mambe nthi ya Kenya. Caleb Chalo ni mwandiki witu wa Mauvoo ni wathoka skulu ni usu.
Collins muli kuma skulu wa premise va wote makuweni ni vatoneka kethe wa katatu kana enthini wa manyiwa atano mambe Kenya yonthe mutiani wa KCP ula watanga wa soko umuthi. Collins azongwesia na max manana miongoli na kenda.
And the secret to my good performance is hard work and praying to God will always solve everything. You only need those two. My dream school is Alliance High School, Alliance Boys.
Skulu wa premise we na siana miongo 5 ile inekalile mutiani wa KCPE na 19 sie kwete max manana na kwambata na vala wandikithia mini score ya max mana 390 na eli.
I thank very much. I know you have consumed a lot, but I thank you for coming. In my studies, I would like to thank my teachers, yet again the Lord, my parents, for always being there for emotional, moral and physical support. Na kwata max manana miongo 5 na nenda ku-encourage kamba masome nundu kisomo ni cha kamba buti mundu mungi akamba mesi
kuongenekana na skulu wa the makuweni school no ambatise mini score yake kuma max mana 376 na kuvikia mini score ya max mana 381 kana kala ketongo isekena max mana 11 mwalimu wa skulu no Maxwell Mumo akielezea kana yeto ni kwitikala na movendo kuma kalenda ka kisomo ni kusembanya na ivinda ila maniwa mavaniwa kusomethwa nongi 10 na syllabus.
Kalenda ka school ka yatu affect alimu manaye very supportive na siai nundu nitwethiwe tutona kukava ivinda ila ciana inaisi simusi ku kalenda ka school ka mobindu kuma school terms kaina to affect
ciana cia mavatha kuma skulu wa musingi wa Unwa ila ni mulatia Sam Muthoka ena max manana na mulatia Adasa Muthoka ena max manana 399 sioka namba 2 na namba 3 ciatie Faith Mwikali na uletongwetie ena max manana na 5. Caleb Chalo, Mutongwe TV, Vilingi wa Mauvoo, wote kaunti ya Makueni.
Musese boni botubika muthia wa Vilingi wa Mauvoo kiokoni cha umuthini mubea nundu wa kwendania na itonetwa Faith MAKENZI wa Mutonga.